a number that when I add 3x and 2x, it becomes 0. So what I'm going to do is multiply the 3x, the equation that starts with 3x, I'm going to multiply it by a negative 2. So I'm going to multiply this entire first equation by a negative 2. And the second equation I'm going to multiply by a positive 3. Now let's see what happens. I have to distribute that negative 2 to everything and including across the equal sign. So I get a negative 6x plus 8y equals a negative 2. And then I'm going to distribute the 3 to everything, and I get a positive 6x plus 9y equals 36. Now I'm going to add these two equations together. This is the process called elimination. And notice what happens when I add these together. 6x and a negative 6x is just 0, so that's gone. And then I've got 8y plus 9y, which gives me 17y. And negative 2 plus 36 is 34. Now I divide both sides by 17. And I get y equals 2, and there's my y value. Now I can go back up into one of the original equations, it doesn't matter which one, and I'm going to substitute in a 2 for y. So I'll use that second equation, and I get 2x plus 3y, but y is now a positive 2, so 3 times 2 equals 12. So 2x plus 6 equals 12. Subtract 6 from both sides, we get 2x equals 6. And divide by 2, and we get x equals 3. So our ordered pair for this solution is 3, 2. And again, you can check it by substituting it into the top equation. 3 times 3 is 9, minus 4 times 2 is 8, 9 minus 8 is 1, and that's the solution. All right, let's go to B. For this one, I don't have to multiply both equations. All I have to do is multiply that top one times 2. So when I distribute that, I get 6x minus 4y equals 8. When I add those together, I get, well, negative 6x and a positive 6x is 0. A positive 4y and a negative 4y is also 0. So I get 0 equals 15. When does 0 equal 15? It never equals 0 never equals 15, so the answer is no solution. All right, and for part C, I'm going to take the bottom equation and multiply it by 2. And when I do that, I get a negative 8x plus 2y equals 4. Now I'm going to take the top equation, which is 8x minus 2y equals a negative 4, and add those two together. And when I do that, a negative 8x and a positive 8x is 0. A positive 2y and a negative 2y is 0. And 4 plus a negative 4 is 0. So I end up getting 0 equals 0. When does 0 equal 0? Always. So the answer to this one is infinite solutions. And that's how we solve equations, systems of equations using elimination.